Today's hair is from Cynosure. Send you this little brochure, I don't know. Wig caps. But these are not my type of lashes, so, you know. You want to use this? There is, you know, I always stick to my straight hair. I don't know why, I just love straight hair. It's a 24-inch Brazilian straight. Y'all, look how silky this is. Period, like, look. And look at the lace. Yes, period. And it comes with like baby hairs, I think. And I think this is a 13 by 4 or 13 by 6. I don't remember, to be honest. I don't remember, but I will be leaving everything down in the description below. I'll be leaving the direct link to the hair. So make sure to check that out if you want to purchase this wig. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to install it, and like I always do, I'm going to fast forward it. So, you know, I'll just show y'all all the details that I use. I'll just show y'all, and then I'm just gonna, you know, install. Alright, y'all, ignore the fan, but I did the bald cap method off the camera. Y'all, like, I was literally just talking to my cousin. I was like, I'm so obsessed with this wig. Like, it's so silky. Like, let me see. Let me run the brush through. And I love hair like this. I love it. But okay, now I'm just put it on. Okay, guys, I had to cut the sideburns off camera. It was difficult because I feel like the wig was a little too big for me. And I'm like I said in my last video, I'm like still a beginner for like cutting my sideburns. Everything else I know how to do good, but the sideburn part is just a little difficult for me. But we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it done. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Ghost Bar. You can get So, I'm just not going to get it on camera because I want to get the finished look on camera. And my camera is on 10%. So, I'm going to just do this. And then I'm going to just style it. And then I'll show you how it ended up. Alright, y'all. So, this is the finished, This is, the finished look. Hold on. This finished look. I did 2 baby hairs. I had to do it off camera because I was really, like, stressing. And like the baby hairs wasn't really coming out how I wanted them to, so I had to do it off camera. But I will reinstall this lace and I gotcha. But yeah, I was just telling my cousin how much I love this hair. Like, it's so silky. Look at this. Like, baby. And look, this straightener is on 450 high. I don't know if I can see that. 450. It's on 450 and look at this. Period. Yeah, I'm in love with this wig. What was it? Cynosure? Yeah. Cynosure Hair. Cynosure Hair. Cynosure Hair. You very much did your thing with this wig. It is everything I love for this wig. Look at this. Like right here, I think I didn't straighten it. But this wig gives me life. I don't want to take it off. And I'm not going to take it off. This wig is everything. But yeah, I'm going to do my makeup right now. And I'm going to come back on here. And I'm going to just, you know, give out more details about this hair. And yeah, copy it. You need to copy it. It's a must. But yeah, I'll come back in a bit, guys. Okay, guys, this is the final look. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm being a hole right now. Period. And don't give a fuck. But yeah, follow me on social media at Instagram and Snapchat at the only Eddie with this. Okay, y'all. So basically, what I was saying is that quarantine got me so bored. I had to like, right now I had to like just delete some couple of videos off my camera because I literally have no storage. But yeah, my crazy ass is about to pierce my motherfucking ears. Where the fuck is it at? I bought this off Amazon. It's like a little piercing gun to pierce your ears, and I've been wanting my ears pierced like for the longest. So we're gonna pierce them today, and let's see how it goes. I'm a numbie because I'm scared this is gonna be my first piercing ever. And I'm not a huge fan of needles. Mori, no lo hagas, Mori.
Nomás quiero ver para alinearlo. Lo tengo que alinear. Pues es que lo tengo que alinear primero.
Mori, no me...
Deja ver, pues.
Mori,
no, pues deja
no lo hagas, Mori, no lo hagas.
Ok, nomás deja ver.
No lo hagas, Mori. Mori, no lo hagas.
Nomás voy a ver.
Mori, por favor, no lo hagas,
no,
Mori.
Pues necesito que ver.
Ok.
¿Dónde va a quedar?
Sí, yo te voy a decir cuándo, porque voy a estar listo.
No necesitas que mover la cabeza porque si no me va a salir chueco.
Que no grites porque me voy a mover.
No, y te mueves y te va a doler.
Mori, ¿ya lo vas a hacer ahorita?
No, nomás quiero ver cómo se va a alinear para yo saber.
Ok, no lo hagas todavía,
No,
porque...
a ver, tiene que estar aquí. Yo no te voy a
cuando-
volver a decir.
Y cuando me duerma, no va a poder dormir en el lado, ¿verdad? ¿Y cuánto va a... como para que me lo cambie?
No.
Voy a dejar como unas 2 semanas.
¿Ya le doy pues?
Pues tengo miedo, Mori.
Pues dale, porque tengo cosas que hacer.
Pues
Porque ir
tengo
para afuera.
miedo, pues.
Ya va.
Lo tienes para el otro lado. Tienes que ser Ancina. Ancina.
Sí, pero pues, yo te lo voy a acomodar.
Espérate, ¿esto lo estás poniendo Ancina? ¿Lo estás haciendo Ancina?
No, al revés.
Ancina.
Esto te va a quedar adelante.
Sí, esto lo tienes que hacer Ancina.
Yeah, yo sé.
Ay, Mori. Mori, tengo miedo.
Tay, you can say.
Mois.
No te muevas porque te mueves y te va a quedar chueco.
Ew, your nipple.
Ya trabando sí queda trabajo, a ver.
Espérate, cante. Ok,
Yo
mira.
sé, yo sé.
Ancina y luego nomás lo trancas.
Yeah. ¿Se puede saber?
Don't be stupid.
Cuenta las 3, Mois.
Ya, yo voy a poner. Yo quiero mirar todo.
Ay, Mori. Espérate, Mois, no lo hagas todavía, Mois. Mois, no lo hagas todavía.
Tengo que ver.
Ah. Mois, no me dolió nada.
Ah, pues ya ves, tengo buena mano.
Deja ver. Mois. Oh my
¿Esta
god.
máquina sirve?
Mois, no me
¿Para
dolió.
otro?
Mois, no me dolió nada.
Tengo buena mano.
Mois, no me dolió nada. No lo sentí.
Hazme lo mismo.
Oh my god.
Búscala por la aguja porque...
No,
No, la aguja ya la tengo
plástico.
adentro.
Ya. A ver, ahí se bájate. Ya si pones pinches tijeras arriba, Yasli.
Dame acá abajo.
Órale, pues está. ¿Está grabando esa madre? Y va a oír todas mis voces.
Where's my hair?
No, yo lo puedo bloquear.
A ver, que quede igual que el otro.
Stop!
Mois,
A ver, pues no, ya me ves que no pasa nada.
Dime cuándo.
Espérame.
Move, you're blocking it, Isaac.
Espérate, Mori.
Pick that one up. Where is it? I found it. Take.
Yeah?
Ese está más bajito, mam. Mira, ese está más bajito. Eddie,
No, es
¿sí?
la oreja de Eri.
No, este está más para acá.
Me quedó un poquito más abajo, Eri.
Right.
Pero a ver, fíjate. No, pero Eri tiene una oreja diferente a la otra. Look.
Ya sé, no importa, como que era no me los voy a quitar. So, me voy a poner como diferentes o como que era semana.
No, pero sí quedó un poquito más bajo este, ¿no?
You guys, so I literally just got done piercing my ears. Look how pretty. I did use the Amazon gun. I will be linking it down on the description below if you guys want to purchase it. And this not sponsoring. But yeah, look. This one is a little bit more upper than this one. This is a little bit lower, but I like it. Like, cause anyways, I'm still gonna change it. But like from far away, it looks the same. It looks good. I really thought it was gonna hurt. It didn't hurt at all. I would most definitely get another piercing, maybe on top, like right here. But yeah, I've been wanting to do this like for the longest. But I was like, this year I'm gonna act up. I'm gonna be a hoe, so I need my ears pierced. Cause what hoe don't have their ears pierced? My earring even waiting for it. Period.